Today I'm trying an everyday look with YESSTYLE makeup that's also cruelty free. To start off this all YESSTYLE makeup look, I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen first. This is the Comfy Water Sunblock by PURITO, or PURITO, I don't know how to say it. It doesn't feel like any sunscreen I've ever put on my face. It doesn't feel sticky at all, and it works really well with my very sensitive skin. I'm using Artless Glow Base by Heimish just as a primer. It does give like a really nice glow. It says to dab, which I didn't actually read, and I started rubbing it onto my skin, but it worked kind of the same. This stuff is great if you just want to wear it on its own, or if you want to wear it underneath makeup, it's really great too. I know I look super scared holding this box. I'm using this foundation. It's called Magic Snow Cushion 2.0 and it's by April Skin. Obviously here I was really shocked by how much product went onto the little pad. I chose the shade Natural Beige, which actually wasn't too bad for my skin tone, and the coverage I would say is more of like a medium coverage. The reason why I'm scared to use this cushion foundation is because I've used cushion foundations before and I usually look like a chalky ghost. This is the first time I'm using one in many years, so I was really kind of nervous to try it. Also, if you guys were wanting to purchase some of these products yourself on YESSTYLE, then you can use my discount code BELLE710, and of course all of the products that I'm using is cruelty free. I was actually really surprised with how good this foundation was. All of these products really. So next I'm going in with the eyebrows. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from EGLIPS, and this is called the Natural Auto Eyebrow. I'm using the shade Dark Brown. Clearly you can see from my face that I'm really excited about this product. So this is an eyeshadow palette that is called Gold Coast. My entire eye makeup look is gonna be me using this palette, all of the colors on this palette. This is the only eyeshadow palette I'm using. I said palette so many times. And because the colors kind of reminded me of Kyo from Fruits Basket when he's a cat, so I decided to base my look off of him as a cat using all the different colors in this palette. The one thing that I'll say that's negative about this palette is the fallout in the pan, but besides that, it has really good color payoff. It blends really easily and the colors are beautiful. I'm using this concealer by Luna. It's a long-lasting tip concealer, and I have the shade Natural Beige, which actually ended up working for me pretty well. And right now I'm just going over the eyeliner with the darker brown shade in the eyeshadow palette I was using earlier. Now I'm going in with Cathy Doll's Hello Kitty Lip and Cheek Matte Mousse. This is the shade Punch. I was really excited to use this because A, it's Hello Kitty, and B, I was really interested to see if it would work well for both my cheeks and also my lips. Because I want to emphasize the blushing that's going on in the photo reference I'm using of Kyo, I'm deciding to put more blush than usual.
Through the years at the library next to my home, and some I held close to my chest, so dear, but they were always on low.
I am going in with BAHAMA Mama Bronzer by theBalm, and this one is probably my least favorite product out of the bunch. It does the job, but it was very difficult for me to blend out. Don't know why, but it was more difficult to blend out. So that's the only con I have for it.
Read a story that
I'm also applying the bronzer on the inner corners of my eyes just to accentuate that more, to give a more cat eye look. I couldn't find a highlighter that was cruelty free in YESSTYLE, so I decided to just use one of the lighter shimmery shades in the eyeshadow palette that I got, and it ended up working pretty well. It is a little bit more on the gold-ish side, the more yellow toned side, which isn't normally my favorite when it comes to highlights. But this one actually did look really nice, and it wasn't as gold as I thought it was going to look. This mascara by Heimish, oh my god, I was so impressed by this. There's a bit of a curve to the wand, and the bristles were quite thin. I wasn't sure how it was going to apply at first, but I was so surprised. It coats each eyelash really nicely, and it doesn't look clumpy. Not only does it look really natural, but it's also lightweight, so I can put like 3 coats and it doesn't feel like I have 3 coats on. And yeah, I was just so impressed by this mascara. I don't know how it's going to fare out the more I use it, but as of right now, it is great. Probably one of my favorite products in the bunch. I'm using the same Hello Kitty cheek mousse on my lips. Honestly, this product is really great. It's great on the lips, it's great on the cheeks. It's very soft. It doesn't look dry, it doesn't feel dry, very easy to apply. You're my favorite book. And that is it for my everyday makeup look using YESSTYLE makeup that's cruelty free. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, use my discount code, say hello in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Bye.